What should we use? We got a kitty, pistol power lifter, power force, power max, the shark, power broom, one of the power spaglesses, one of the dynamites, the smart clean, shark, another dynamite, dynamite 2, or the, what's it called, pistol power force turbo, dirt devil dynamite, or Eureka the boss super light. I'm gonna say we should use this. So, this thing I got just today, and of course you can see it's all cleaned up and shiny. I got this for $40 off OfferUp. I had him deliver it. It was originally $10 for the vacuum. I gave him an extra $30 to deliver it. And yeah, here it is. So anyways, let's vacuum with it. So the floor is pretty dirty. I moved a lot of my vacuums over there. Clearly. Like, dear God, I've got a lot. And so, yeah, I got these 2009 models lined up, except for that one. So anyways, let's go this around. One thing I don't like about this is how short the cord is, but that applies for most cheap vacuums. This one is not cheap in quality, it's just cheap in price. Put another guy right there. Look at him. Just trying to get it plugged in. Okay, there we go, finally. Okay, so it's got some stuff in the bin still. Here's the brush. It's all clean and shiny. And we'll change that, I'm sure. So, anyways, let's begin. Right there, flat form, not vacuum. It gets so quiet when it goes right there. So quiet.